everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back. Sorry we're late. We're gonna start here. The pen is missing. Hello, hulaan mo. Welcome to the live. We are doing this one because... Hello, Rutherfordy. I'm sorry we're late. Tatalino ba ako pag uminom ako ng Vitasoy? It will inspire you, I believe. I like to drink it with like a chocolate powder. It's good. I drink it, guys, because I study... One way to focus, if you can't focus on your own, is by peer pressure. So one thing I do is I study with my friends sa cafe. Kanina galing kaming cafe. You love Vitasoy? Yay! I love Vitasoy too. I like the almond one and the soy milk. And then, so you can go study cafe with your friends. But if you're just at home, one way you can pretend to be at a cafe is I would make myself a drink. Yes, we just started. We haven't started actually. I would make myself a drink, which is just Vitasoy plus like adding chocolate. You might fail. What's RMA? Used to watch these. Now I'm a UP freshie. Wow, congrats, Nathan. Welcome back to the live. Say hello to the people here. Guys, this is your future. The future is bright for all of you. Char. May mock test po here sa Pangasinan. Any tips? Tips for mock test? Right minus wrong ba? Just make sure to guess everything. If hindi mo alam yung sagot, just make sure to shade something. If hindi mo alam yung sagot, first skip mo muna siya. And then, after you answer everything you know, that's when you go back and then try to guess it again. If you can't, just shade anything. Do I have the file? Yes, it's over here. Free reviewers. The PDFs are over here in my Instagram. Marami po bang burgis sa UP? Madami talaga, Rutherfordium. Hindi yan may iwasan because the system is rigged. But, ganun talaga. Bagong ligo. It's my new... Kasi I have internship in the morning usually. Oh no, it's not focusing again. But, yeah, so it's easier to shower at night, I think. The hair, para habang nagla-live natutuyo siya. Okay, it's okay, Lily. You can rewatch the live na lang. Study tips? In what? Hello, Nico. How are you? We started late today. No, you're not late. We just started. We actually haven't started. But we can start kasi hindi naman siya lesson, so people don't have to catch up. They can just catch up per question. So I think we can start. Right minus wrong po ba siya? Right minus 0.25 wrong. So every correct answer is 1 point, and then 0.25 lang yung bawas for every wrong answer. 35, I haven't checked. Let's get back to that later. Let's start with 34. Sige, 35 muna, since nasagutan mo na. Let's look at 35. What's your name? Your name is not kita. It's just an emoji. B daw. You're not late, Mythical. We just started. Make sure to share the live. Hindi kayo late, guys. Kakasimula lang natin. Ako ang late. Sorry na agad. Thank you, J-Lord, for the rose. Kasama po ba yung solution mo sa IG reviewers? Merong blank reviewers. Meron ding may solution na. So, I'll upload this one later. Yung may solution na if you want. Attended UP grad? Wow! Mas na-inspire. Nakinig ka ba ng speech, Nico? Maganda yung speech. Nakita ko sa TikTok yung sa UP Cebu. Tapos pati yung sa UP D. Nakita ko din yung speech. Yes, ang gaganda ng speech nila. Quadratic equation. Yes, we do have... This is a... What's a quadratic? This is a polynomial. Quadratic equation. Yes, we've taught that also. Best pre-med? Are you sure na you're going to med? If you are, maybe something related to bio or life science, yung usual na pre-med. But if you're not sure, I think doing something different is also good. Paul? Okay, we'll open the poll for this one. Paul. Ready, guys? We're gonna start. I usually start after 5 minutes, so to those people watching the recording, yes, sorry it always starts late. But I wait for the 5 minute mark, and it's been 5 minutes now, so... Okay, answer the poll, guys. What are we gonna do here? Ay, madali lang siya. So, this is a polynomial. Two polynomials. Tapos, all you can do is minus the equal or the same... Ay, ano tawag dyan? Same, ano sila? Same degree. So, first thing we're gonna do, we can move the, ano tawag dito? Distribute the negative sign. So, when you distribute the negative sign, ang mangyayari, everything na nasa loob nitong circle na to ay mababago. So, this will become plus. Gagawin natin siyang plus. Tapos, this will be negative. This will be negative. And then, this will be positive. And then, from there, i-add na lang natin sila. Topic, these are general math topics so far that we're doing. More on general, because this is just random questions. Ganyan siya. Polynomials, yes. Ang dami daw nag-A. Is it A or D, guys? Medyo equal votes ng A and D. What is the answer? Yung sabi kanina, letter B. Hello, Lusty. Welcome back to the live. Are you late? No, this is our first question. Okay, so what do we do next? Let's add 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 will give you 2x squared. And then negative 4 and negative 4 will give you negative 8x. Bakit ano? A sagot nyo, guys. And lastly, 3 plus 3 is equal to plus 6. So the answer is letter D. Amazing. We got letter D, guys. Equal lang yung votes ng A and D. Sino yung nag-letter A dyan? Bakit letter A sagot nyo? Do you have a copy of that? Yes, if you want the blank copy, it's already in my Instagram. But if you want the copy with the writing, I upload it after the live. So, yes, the link is already in my Instagram highlights. Right minus 0.25 wrong sa UPCAT, guys. A for amazing. Okay, next question, guys. Time to lock in, everybody. We have just 1 hour today. If 10 time mag-end. Usually, hindi na gumagana ang brain after 10. Usually, relapse time na yun ng mga tao dyan. Okay. Number 34. So, ito yung right minus wrong. Right minus 0.25 wrong. So, every wrong answer you get, kunyari, 10 yung mali mo, 90 yung tama mo. That will give you 90 minus 2.5. So, ang score mo ay 88.75. Ay, mali. 88.5. Sorry. 87.5. What was I thinking? Ayan. So, ganyan yung scoring system sa UPCAT. So, I'm gonna start the poll for this one. If a jeepney ride costs 8.50 for the first 4 kilometers, and 1.50 for each additional kilometer, or a fraction thereof, remember, or a fraction thereof, then how much would a passenger pay for a 12 km ride? If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Tina, you remember my script na tayo, guys. Y'all are mocking me, huh? So, 12 km ride, tapos, first 4 kilometers. So, first 4 is 8.50. Tapos, ano yung next 4? So, 8 na lang yung natira. 8, yung next 8 daw ay 1.50 each. So, that's 1.50 times 8. 1.50 times 8, how would I do that? 1.5 times 2 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Alam ko may mali ako dito eh. Kasi, wait lang, 12. So, that would give us 20.50. Okay. Basic lang pala siya. Check nga natin, guys. I just need to check if it's the correct answer. 34, number 34. 34 is letter D. Okay, we got it correct, letter D. And 35 is also letter D, so those were the two we checked. Wag nyo tignan yung 36. Ah! It's lagging! Okay. Spoiler. Let's go back. I didn't see the answer. Hala! Next question. Nakita mo na? Hindi ko nakita. Okay, see ba? Fraction thereof means, okay, so ganito yung example niyan. Pag sinabing fraction thereof, minsan pag sinabing 12.5 km, magkano daw ang mangyayari? When it says fraction thereof, ibig sabihin, kahit 0.5 km lang yan, 1.50 pa rin yung babayaran. Doon ata ako nagkamali. May isang question na ganito sa isang sample mock test. I remember like in 2020. Tapos, ang ginawa kong 0.75 kasi 0.5. So, hindi mo siya gagawing fraction. So, diba, if 12.5 km yan, you would multiply it not by 8.5, kasi 8.5 yung natira, diba? You have to multiply it by 9. Gets ba, guys? So, if lagpas sa 8, 9 na yun. Kahit 12.5 km ang given. Say gets if gets, and we shall continue. So, yun ang meaning nun. If 12.5, kailangan mo siya round off. Yes, kailangan maging whole number siya. Yes, we have a blank copy. It's over here. Free reviewers in my IG highlight. Go to my Instagram. Go to my profile. Tapos the first story highlight there has Google Drive links. So, yes. You can check it out there, guys. Number 36. Magpo-poll pa ba tayo? Tinignan nyo na eh. Tinignan nyo na kanina. Am I late? No, this is our third question. We've been here only for 11 minutes. So, yes. Thank you for following, guys. If you're new here, make sure to follow. What time po kayo nagla-live? Usually 8 p.m. You've been following me? 8 p.m. usually, but today I came from the outside, so I had to shower first before going live. That's why I'm kind of late today. Hala, wag kayong mangopya, guys, pag yan. Okay. If 6x minus 15 is less than 4 plus 5, then, okay. So, this is an inequality. Hindi pa tayo nag-aaral ng inequality, guys. All we have to know about inequalities is hindi mo siya papansinin. So, I was scared of inequalities in high school kasi like hindi siya naturo ng maayos. But my friend taught me was kapag may inequality, guys, wag niyo siyang isipin na inequality siya. Isipin niyo equal sign lang yan and then solve for x. Okay? So, yun yung gagawin mo. Solve for x, wag mo siyang tignan as an inequality. Mamaya lang siya gagana or mamaya mo lang siya tignan as an inequality. So, let's solve for it now. What are we gonna do? Going 6x minus 15 is equal to 4 plus 5. Yung 4 plus 5, guys, gawin na nating 9. So, gawin na nating 9. What do we do next? We have to transfer. Iwan natin si x. Kailangan mag-isa na siya. And negative 15, what will happen to negative 15 if we put it to the other side? What will happen? By the way, guys, if you're new here, the poll is over there on the corner. Do you see it up there on the corner? Yes, magiging positive. Okay, amazing. You guys are amazing. So that becomes 6x is equal to 9 plus 15. 6x is equal to 24. So, dito na nagkakatalo. Okay? 6x is equal to negative 24. Balik na natin yung sign. Pero bawal yan gawin, guys, sa solution. I don't know what you're supposed to do, but ibalik na natin siya ngayon. Divide, pag magde-divide, okay, pag nililipat lang ang plus or minus, when we transfer this negative 15, okay lang isipin na na equal sign siya. Pero pag magde-divide na tayo, dito na kailangan ibalik. Bakit? Kasi kapag negative, kunyari negative 6 to, mamaya na. Solve muna natin to. Solve as is, when you divide by a positive number, hindi mababago ang sign. So, this will give us x is less than 4. Kaya ang sagot ay letter C, according to the answer key, which tinignan nyo na, kasi madaya kayo. So, letter C ang sagot. C for Christ all the time. But guys, kung yung given dito ay negative 6, negative 6x ang given dito. Huwag ka mag-focus dyan, te. Ni isang beses hindi ko ginamit yan sa totoong buhay. They want to get into the UPCAT. Okay, so if you didn't use it in real life, we're gonna use it to get into the UPCAT. So, let us deal with this right now. We're gonna focus. Okay, going back. When po magbabago ang sign? Okay, ito na. So, if negative 6x minus 15, hello, Isa Lenor, you're not late. It's been 14 minutes. Technically not late. So, gawin nating negative lahat, guys. Negative, negative, negative. Pagdating na sa part na to, dahil negative 6x siya, you have to divide it by negative 6, diba? Kasi kailangan maiwan si x. Pag i-divide mo na siya by negative, pwede pala yan, pero need magbago ng sign. So, it will become x is greater than negative 4. Okay? So, mababago yung sign niya. Bakit mababago yung sign niya? Kasi negative yung dinivide. Okay? Pag negative din yung minultiply, mababago din yung sign niya. So, mababaligtad. Gets niyo ba? But yes, that's the answer. So, that's the answer. Let's turn it back. Turn it back. There. Okay. Next question. Next question. How far? Ooh, I like this one. Restarting the poll, everybody. Hello to the 1.7k people. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We're gonna be here every day until the UPCAT, which is on August 2 or 3. And that means the UPCAT is in 23 days. Guys, you have 23 days left. Hello, IC. IC, I remember you. I got in UP. Guys, look, we have an alumni over here. Alumni of Julius Review Center. So make sure to stick around every day and you will get into UP. I'm telling you, I'm your lucky charm. Char! Lucky charm. It's all about your own effort, guys. If you stick to studying here every day, that's all your effort. Like, I'm not even doing anything here. Not on me, it's on you. How far can Jaya go on her scooter? From 3:35 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. at 30 km per hour. Ooh, okay. So, how far? Distance ang hinahanap natin. Did you guys answer the poll? The poll is over here. Do you see the poll? It's up over here. Up over there. I here. Somewhere there. Okay, there. Okay, so what now? First thing we're gonna do, get how much time is this. I taught you guys this in a TikTok. How do we get the difference of time? You get the time in between 3:35 to 4 p.m. Ay, walang poll. Meron. Walang poll. It's, may nag-vote naman. 93 na yung votes. Do you see it, Nico? 4 p.m. 4:15. Meron daw yung iba. Thank you for the heart, me. Maki. Okay, so what's the time between 3:35 to 4 p.m.? That's 25 minutes. So, gagawin mo lang 60 minus 35 here. 60 minus 35 is 25 minutes. And then, the time between 4 to 4:15 is very easy. That's 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So, this will give us a total of 40 mins. 40 mins. Letter A ang sagot ng mga tao. But ang daming letter E, guys. Bakit letter E ang sagot nyo? Regine Velasquez. Pag yan, hindi letter E. 40 minutes. So, 30 km per hour. Per hour, 30 km daw siya. 30 km per hour. And then, sa 40 minutes, ilang hours ang natatravel in 40 minutes? All you have to do is do 40 minutes over 60 minutes. Bakit natin gagawing over 60 minutes? Kasi, wait, lalagay ko na dito. Iko-convert natin siya into hour form. Right? 40 minutes times 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Ganito yung pag-convert, diba, nung high school. So, you cancel out the minute sign and magiging 40 over 60 siya. 40 over 60 is just 40 over 60 times 30. Anong pwede i-cancel dito, guys? Remember, when you're multiplying, wag agad mag-multiply. Make sure to cancel what you can cancel. 60 and 30, obvious na 30 is double 60. So, this will become 1. And this will become 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So basic. So amazing, guys. So the answer is letter A. So basic. Am I right? Did everybody get that? Do you still post your live YouTube? Yes. Go over here to my YouTube in the red box. I post all the live recordings every day. So if you don't want the pressure of studying live with us, you can check out our YouTube recordings. Amazing. Do you have any questions, guys, on that number? Ulit daw? Okay, one more example for that. I'll give another example. Let's say if 50 minutes. Gusto nyo 50 minutes, guys. Kunyari, 4:25 to. This is 4:25. So, this will become 50 minutes. How to get LCD in rational? Okay, wait. Saan po makikita yung may sagot na? I uploaded, yung nasa 5th story ng IG highlight. Check the IG highlight over here. My Google Drive, tas nandun yung annotated files. So, pick nyo lang yung file na pinaka-latest. Okay. Okay, what are we doing? Yes. So, let's make it 50 minutes. what do we do next? So, remember, ito yung speed na given sa atin. Ibig sabihin ng kilometers per hour, sa isang 1 hour niya, sa isang 1 hour, sa isang 1 hour niya, what was I gonna do? In 1 hour, ibig sabihin, 30 kilometers yung na-travel niya. Let's draw it over here. In 1 hour, kunyari, nag-travel ako ng 1 hour. It doesn't matter where you're going, 30 km lagi ang tina-travel niya in 1 hour. So, kunyari, 50 minutes lang ako magta-travel. Ibig sabihin, this is me, and I'm gonna stop over here. 60 minutes to, 50 minutes lang to. Hahanapin natin yung distance na to. Kasi same lang yung speed niya eh. So, parang hinahanap yung fraction na tinravel niya na 50 minutes lang. Kasi hindi siya umabot ng 1 hour. So, what are we gonna do? You just get the fraction na 50 minutes, 50 over 60 times 30. Ganun lang siya, guys. And then again, all you have to do, cancel. Do not multiply agad. You can cancel first. This is still 1, and this is still 2. How does that become 1 and 2? 30 divided by 30 is 1. 60 divided by 30 is 2. So, yun yung biggest common factor nilang pareho. And then, 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25 km. So, in 1 hour, in 50 minutes, 25 km yung na-travel niya. Okay? So, let's put that back because people are gonna use this annotated file. So, we need to go back all the way. Is it working? Hala, hindi na pwede back. Okay. Let's turn it back to 4:15. Do you have any more questions? Paano po nakuha yung 25 minutes? When you get the time between 3:35 to 4 p.m., so diba yung given dito is 3:35 to 4:15. That's kind of hard to do on its own. So what I did is ihati mo in between yung time na, eto fixed time to, diba? I mean, 4:00 siya. 4:00 p.m. So what you do is 60 minus this number. 60 minus this number will give you 25. 60 minus 35 is 25. I'll give you another example, guys. Let's give you an example. What's the difference of time between 1:28 to 2:35? How many minutes, guys, is the difference? Hello to everybody new here. Make sure to follow if you're new. We try to go live every day. Yes, I've been going live every day, I think, since Monday. Nabura po yung 40. Ayaw nga. Thank you so much. 67. Okay, so what did we do? We get, again, you get 60 minus this number will give you 32, right? 32 plus 35. So you just get the number here and 60 minus this number. So that will give you 32 plus 35 is 67. Amazing. Amazing, guys. We did that together. So that's how you get time easily. If you have any other easier methods, then you can just do it that way. PTS reviewer, my answer key. Wala siyang answer key. Pero yung mga sagot ko, tama yun. Thank you, Alpha, for the gift. You don't have to send gifts all the time. It's okay. But thank you so much for the gifts, Alpha. This is the Review Masters book. It's free over here on my Instagram highlights. Word problem? Okay, let's look for a word problem. Walang sound? Meron daw, pero mahina. Try nyo na lang different device. What about this one? A minus B minus A minus C. So, we're trying to simplify this one. Do you want a poll, guys? We're gonna open the poll. Starting the poll for number 38. So, what do we do here? Very basic. All you have to do is the butterfly method, right? Butterfly method, when it comes to dalawang fraction, let's try a different ay, nawala. Start the poll. Try a different fraction first. Let's try 2/3 plus 1/5. The first thing you're gonna do is get x this way. Butterfly method this way. 2 times 5 is 10. And get the x this way. 1 plus 3 is 3. And then, lastly, multiply the two denominators. 3 times 5 is 15. So, that's 13 over 15. Okay? So, ano gagawin dito sa 38? Anong gagawin sa 38? You just get A times C is AC. A times B is minus AB. And then B times C is BC. Do we have the answer, guys? AC minus AB over BC is letter D. Wow, we got it! It's letter D, guys. Butterfly method is what you're gonna do. Letter D. Amazing. Mali ako, tama yung naramdaman ko sa'yo. Wow. Amazing. Next question. Ano po yung UPCAT? UPCAT is the UP College Admission Test. So, if plano nyo pumasok sa UP, actually UP grad season this week, diba? Nakikita nyo ba? Or TikTok ko lang ba yung puro UP grad? So, airball. UPCAT. Yes, taas na pusa. Ang corny ba. Ooh, this one, guys. This one, let's stop the poll. This one's easy. Do you see the pattern or is it just me? College, I just graduated college, guys. So hi, if you're new here, my name's Julia. Just graduated. Nico, yan na naman yung sagot. I just graduated from Ateneo. My course is management engineering. I graduated magna cum laude. And I'm a full scholar. So if you want scholarship opportunities, check out my TikTok. I share that too. You saw my ad? Wow, thank you. I'm the Vitasoy ad person. Letter C ang sagot nila. Okay, very basic, I think. Paano nakuha to? I don't know. I mean, ako kita ko agad. This is just your nose moves when you talk. Why would you say that? Usually 8 p.m. ang live, guys. So check it out every day. Cube, yes. So this is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. So 6 cube is just 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. Times 6 is equal to 216. So the answer is letter C. Nico, ganito ba kadali yung mga questions? Nico here, guys, is from the first batch of reviewers. That's why we ask him. So I'm not sure if ganito kadali. Pero yung ibang questions, feel ko hindi siya ganito kadali. Hindi ko magets pag teacher. But yes, this is just following the pattern. Thank you, Erktwood Hernandez. Tama ba na CE ako ngayong second year? Mahirap ang CE, guys. And the thing about CE or civil engineering, I didn't pick it because sabi nila ang starting salary are like 15,000. So, if you need any course tips, come to me. Because my goal in life, yung goal ko in picking my college course is gusto ko yumaman. I don't have goals. Madali yung iba, baka di lang ako sure sa sagot ko nung time na yun, sabi ni Nico. So madali lang daw yung ibang UPCAT questions talaga. Pero yung iba, mahirap talaga. Baka ganun talaga siya. Accurate po ba maroon blue book? Sabi nila hindi. Mas mahirap yung questions in the maroon blue book. Next question, restarting the poll. Which equation is not satisfied by x is equal to negative 3? So what are we gonna do here, guys? The easiest way to do this is to just substitute it negative 3 into all of these equations. So, yun ba yung easiest way? Kasi pwede din natin siya i-factor, pero matagal yun for me. Eto, letter C, what do we know about this, guys? It's a difference of two squares. Do you guys know difference of two squares? This has x plus 3, and this has x minus 3. So, we know agad na x plus 3 is here. So, pasok siya and satisfied siya. Okay, letter A, try down natin. Negative 3 squared is minus negative 3 minus 6. This will be 9 plus 3 minus 6 is equal to 0, which is not true because this is 6. Equal to 6 siya, guys. So, A is not satisfied. Letter A ang sagot. Pagkita nyo agad, pag na-try nyo na agad sa letter A, wag nyo na siya, like, next question na nyo na agad. Like, wag na kayo. Ako kasi feel ko ito-test ko pa lahat kasi, like, wala akong tiwala sa sarili ko. But you can just move on. If you already got the answer, just trust yourself and move on, okay? Because you only have 1 minute and 15 seconds per question if you want to answer each question. Pagdating sa math portion. Yung ibang subtest, I don't know the time of the other ones. But in math, 60 questions, 75 minutes. Okay? 60 questions, 75 minutes. C is true? Yes, C is true. Yes. This one's also true. This is x plus 3 squared. So, kita na siya agad. So, letter A or B lang yung tanong. Guys, don't buy the maroon blue book. You don't have to buy it. If you can find it somewhere, or if you can borrow it, that's good. But I don't think you have to buy any reviewers. That's propaganda you shouldn't fall for. Number 41. Free reviewers over here in my IG. If you're new here, just get the PDFs I used over here. A lot of people who watch our lives, they don't buy the reviewers anymore because it's all over here. All the ones you see printed, same lang yan sa mga nasa PDF, okay? Should I pursue IE if gusto kong yumaman? That's a good question. Maganda, yes, IE was my choice for UP. I passed UP DIE and I was almost gonna take it, but I chose to go to Ateneo. What percent profit was made on a pair of pants that was bought for $250 and sold for $350? Ooh, percent ang hinahanap. IT, I think sabi nila magandang IT ngayon. I mean, anything tech-related is always good kasi, technology. Thank you, Haru, for the gifts and Bree. What do we do here, guys? All you have to do is get the profit, percent profit, profit percent. Profit over what percent profit was made over cost. Profit over cost ba? I think it's profit over cost. So what we're gonna do is 350 minus 250 over 250, which is equal to 100 minus 250 over 250. That will be 10 over 25. Kinancel ko lang yung 0. Pwede kayo mag-cancel ng 0 if meron sa taas and sa baba. And then, let's just keep dividing it. What's the lowest term of that? Divide both by 5. Divide by 5. That will give us 2 over 5. And does anyone know what 2 over 5 is? Hala! Ba't A sagot nyo? Or hindi ba ako nag-poll? Nag-poll ba ako, guys? Or hindi? A yung sagot. A ba yung sagot kanina? Ay, A pala yung kanina. D daw ang sagot. So, 2 over 5 is equal to 0.4 or 40%. Hindi ako nag-poll. Okay. 40%. If you're new here, guys, make sure to screenshot this. This is our simple fractions list. Please comment SSD. We try to tell everybody to memorize this. You're going to be able to use it in all UPCAT questions. So, check this out. As you can see over here, we have 2 over 5. We just used this a while ago. 2 over 5 is 0.4. What you should do every day, 10th SSD. Mew. SSD every day. Okay, SSD. 9th screenshot na daw nila. Guys, kawawa naman kasi yung mga bago dito, We just gotta inform the new people. Okay, kasi need nyo yan, guys, sa UPCAT. Okay. Get to buying measurements of angles. Yes, we've been doing angles. Check it out sa recordings natin. We've talked about angles already in the past days. Okay, next question. If y less than -2, which of the following must have the greatest value? Anong gagawin natin dito, guys? What I'm gonna do is called simple kasi walang given si y. Pag walang value si y, bibigyan natin siya. Y is equal to, give me a number less than -2. What's a number less than -2? Yes, I teach algebra. This is algebra, diba? Algebra ba to? I feel like this is algebra. -3. Okay, yes. Simple example, guys. Always pick the closest number. So, let's see which is correct. 2 over y will be 2 over -3 or -2/3. -2/3 yan. This one will be -3 over 2, which is -3/2. And then this will be 2 over -3 plus 1. That's equal to 2 over -2, which is -1. Okay, I'll check it out. Gina, don't spam. Calm your ass. Just kidding. I'll check it out. I don't have my phone right now. I'm a math teacher. Thank you, Exo Angel. 2 over -3 minus 1 is equal to 2 over -4 is equal to -1/2. Yes, I'll post this. So, which is the smallest na? We have -2/3 negative 1 half, negative 3 halves, and negative 1. I'll open the poll. Sinolve ko na lahat. Kayo ang mag-decide. The thing is, how do we know? Hindi siya kita agad, diba? Kasi fraction siya. Dito na papasok ang skills natin, guys. Hala, iba-iba sagot nila. A, B, C, or D? Greatest value, guys, yung tanong. So, is it A, B, C, or D? Remember, dito na papasok ang simple fractions. What is 2/3, guys? Can you tell me what's 2/3 in decimal? It's easier to compare. Pagdating sa comparing for greatest value, or when you have to arrange the values, turn it into decimal. Yes, it's negative 0.67. This is negative 1.5. Bakit alam ko na 1.5 yan? You divide 3 by 2. Divide 3 by 2, you get 1.5. This is negative 1, and this is negative 0.5. So, which has the biggest value? Is it letter C? Is it letter C? Letter C ang majority right now. Sunod ang letter D, and then letter B. So, I already changed it, guys, into decimals. Set. Okay. I changed it to decimals. Now, you tell me which is the biggest. Which has the biggest value? Okay, I think people are coming to their senses. Letter C and D are tied right now. Is it letter C or letter D? Oh, my arm hurts. Okay, more people are saying letter D. So, the answer, guys, is letter D. So, pagdating sa negative values, remember na the smaller the value is, the bigger it actually is. And the way I visualize this, kasi minsan nalilito din ako. Remember, the number line, dito yung number line, di ba? And then, ito yung 0. Yung 1, nandito siya. 1, 2. So, dito yung 1 half. Negative 1 half pala. Negative 1 half, mas malapit siya sa 0. And the closer you are to 0, mas malaki yung number. So, dito, negative 1 half. Dito, negative 2/3. Ayan. So, negative 1 half is the closest to 0. Kaya, the answer is letter D. Letter D is the answer. Amazing, guys. You got it. Bakit daw po minus 3? When you don't have a value for y, pwede kayo mag-set ng value. Okay? You can make that any number less than negative 2. Kasi hindi nyo yan masasolve theoretically. The easiest way is to use a simple example. Use simple example. So, yes. Amazing. Amazing, guys. So, negative 3 is the smallest example. If gusto mo negative 25, okay lang. I-solve mo yan. Okay lang. OMG, wait. Amazing. Yes. Tsaka, yes. That's it. Next question, guys. What grade is this lesson? I feel like this is grade 8. Grade 8 siya. Hala, magmumultiply na tayo, guys. Ito na ang FOIL method. Lagi nyo binabanggit ang FOIL method, pero hindi naman start new poll. Start poll. The poll is starting. Make sure to put in your hulas for today. Carry ba 1 week review? Kaya yan, guys. Pero ba't kayo mag-1 week review? Hindi pa naman siya 1 week. We have 24 days, 23 days left. So, make sure to start studying right now. I'll be going live every day, kinda. Bakit may 0 dito? Baka 10 yan. But let's see. So, first thing we're gonna do, FOIL method. I forgot what FOIL method means. First, inside, oh, I remember, outside, last. FOIL method. FOIL. But that's not what I do. Okay, I guess that's what I do. First, inside, ang ginagawa ko, guys, is first, and then first, second, second. Pero it doesn't matter, as long as you get it done. So, let's do outer. Ay, outer pala muna. So, tama pala yung ginawa ko. Ba't ko sinabing inside? Okay. So, let's do it. First is multiply the 2 first. 3x and 4x is 12x. So, hindi nyo na need i-solve ang 12x, guys. Kasi lahat ng question, ay lahat ng choices, may 12x na. So, wag na natin tignan yan. The next thing we have to look at is look at the end number. Look at the end number. It's 10. 10 dapat, diba? 2 times negative 5 is 10. Walang 10 dito, x. Walang 10 dito, x. So, ito na lang ang need natin i-check. Lastly, let's do the outer and inner. Outer is negative 15x. Inner is plus 8x. Negative 15 plus 8 is equal to 7x. So what you're gonna do is, yes, yun na pala yun. So the middle number is 7x. So that's letter C. Did you get letter C? Wow, everybody got letter C. The book I used last time is the PTS Reviewer. This one is the Review Master's book. Grade 7 daw ito. Sample Rubik's Cube. This is my big Rubik's Cube, guys. If you're new here, welcome to the live. We don't really move it. We've been struggling with math ever since. What should you do to improve? You should join our live every day and then ask questions when you don't understand. So always make sure to try to study with people who are already good and try to understand paano nila nasa-solve. So do it step by step. Math is scary if you're not like being taught by people who like to teach. So if you stick around, I can help you. Okay, sprinkler method. What's a sprinkler method? I don't know that. Ganito ba yun? I don't know the sprinkler method. I always thought na small lang yung Rubik's. Nope, it's all the way here. Does it look small, guys? Oh, I should put a small cube with it. Next question. If 0.002x is equal to 2. Hala. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Okay, how do we solve this? What I would do, guys, is just looking at this. Sa Roblox yun. Anong sa Roblox? What did I ask? Sprinkler method. Di ko alam yung grow a garden ba yan? Di ako nag-Roblox, guys. I don't know why I don't play Roblox, but I don't. Yes, it's in the highlights, Kian. Everything is in the highlights. There's so many reviewers there. C for huli ang pagsisisi. Wow. Saan ko nabili? It was from Toy Kingdom, pero wala na siyang ganyan ngayon. Mga 10 years old na yan. Maganda po ba Arky? Mahirap yun, guys, if hindi ka magaling mag-drawing. Mahirap ang Arky. Ako, hindi ko siya if hindi ko siya passion. Tapos dapat mayaman ka dun kasi dapat maganda yung art materials mo pagdating sa Arky. Yes. Paano mag-move on? Kailangan mong ma-realize na there's a reason why that person left. Or there's a reason why you broke up with them. Char. Mamaya ka na mag-relapse, hindi pa nga 10 p.m. Kaya nga hanggang 10 lang tayo kasi hindi na gumagana utak nyo at 10. Char. Let's go back. Nagmamate. Ang gagawin dito, guys. Okay, tapos na ba ang poll? Sumagot kasi kayo. Hindi kayo sumasagot. 38 lang yung sumasagot, oh. Yung mga 38 na yan, sila lang ang papasa. Kasi you're not taking that risk. Take the risk to make the answer. If you don't know what the answer is, it's okay. Just make a guess. In a way. Ayan, biglang sumagot tuloy. Ayan. Yan, sumagot kasi kayo. Bakit letter C ang sagot nyo? Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. So, ang nangyari dito, paano siya naging 2? Basically, what they did, tignan lang natin yung paggalaw ng decimal. Gawin natin 2 din ang side na to. That will be 1, 2, 3. So, 3 times ang pag-move ng decimal para maging 2 din siya. So, yun din gagawin natin sa kabila. 2.2, move the decimal 1, 2, 3. So, that will give us 2,200. So basic, never mind. Kaya pala hindi sila sumasagot. Letter C ang sagot. Okay? Letter C ang sagot. Answer key ng ibang subjects. You have to look at nasa dulo siya lagi ng PDF. If wala siya sa dulo, ibig sabihin wala siyang answer key. Ganun siya usually sa mga PDFs na nandun. Okay, amazing. We got that one done. So basic. Hala! Find the value of m minus n over m plus n minus m over n if m is 20 and n is 10. Okay, quick maths, guys. Restarting the poll. Make sure to guess or solve as of now. You've hated decimals since birth. Since birth? Wow. Yes, it's okay if you hate decimals. All you have to do is learn that the decimal place, pwede siya ma-move. So, pwedeng galawin ang decimal place like this. Okay? So, ganun lang para dumali ang buhay niyo sa decimals. Huwag niyong isipin decimal siya. Pwede mo siya baguhin. I can change him, you know. Highlights are on Instagram. Alam niyo sa Instagram, yung mga bilog sa ilalim, yung mga story highlights. Yun, guys. So, nandun yung G drive link. Letter A or letter B ang madaming sagot. So, anong gagawin? Isa-substitute lang siya. Let's do it one by one. M is 20, so that's 20 minus 10 over 20 plus 10 minus 20 over 10. So, just make sure that you're substituting correctly. This will be 10 over 20 plus 10 minus 20 is negative 10 over 10. So, this will become 10 over 20 is just 1 half. Tapos, this 10 over 10 is negative 1. So, negative 1 plus 1 half is just equal to negative 1 half. Amazing! It's letter A. Hala, A daw. Ray, anong sagot mo? Ray, anong pinindot mong sagot? Hahanapin ko sagot mo dito. 3 votes on letter B. Bawal po mag-cancel. Pwede mag-cancel. Hindi pwede mag-cancel dito. If you're asking kung pwede mag-cancel dito, bawal mag-cancel kasi hindi siya multiply lang. So, kita nyo guys, may minus sign dito. Hindi ka pwede mag-cancel kapag may minus or plus sign. Pwede ka lang mag-cancel kapag may multiple sign. Paano siya naging 1 half? I-cancel ang dalawang 0. May 0 dito, may 0 dito. Take it off, it will become 1 half. Or you're asking about this negative 1 half? That's just 1 minus 1 half. Ganun lang. So, 1 half minus negative 1 half. Paano gumaling sa science? Honestly, the thing about science, guys, is it's a memorization topic. Yes, I love the Celtics. You wanna see my NBA card collection, guys? This is Jaylen Brown. Next question, while we solve. You look at this next question while madali lang to, guys. Very basic. Restarting the poll. Restarting the poll for this one. Ay, tapos na ba? May tanong ba kayo sa last question? While I show you my cards. Ay, isa lang pala yun. Nasaan yung iba? Ano po magandang kunin sa senior high? What time to start? Usually live is 8 p.m. For senior high, I think mas magandang STEM, guys. Kasi ang UPCAT ay very STEM biased. As you can see, madaming math and madaming science sa STEM. So, if mag-ABM kayo, medyo less ang chances. At least may refresh yung brain nyo, diba, pagdating sa UPCAT. So, if gusto nyo makapasa ng UP, kahit hindi STEM related ang magiging course nyo, maganda mag-take ng STEM for me. Kasi like, although it's the harsh truth, the UPCAT is very STEM biased. Or lahat ng sets, guys, may math and science. So, kailangan talaga. Okay lang yan kahit ABM ka, madami namang pumapasa. Yes, usually STEM focus, sabi ni Nico, ABM. Ang mga sets. This is Jason Tatum. This is Lori Markkanen. Is it Lowry? Okay, this, guys, what is this? Remember, this is dots. Difference of two cubes. Paano natin malalaman na difference of two cubes? Kailangan mo alamin na y squared ay square and 1 is also a square. So, that's a difference of two cubes. If you guys are new here, difference of two cubes means na a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So, need lang natin siya i-factor, i-convert natin siya. So, copy the top, y minus 1 over y minus 1 and y plus 1. Ang dali naman ng questions dito, guys. Parang sobrang basic, di ba? Feel ko kaya nyo na i-ace ang UPCAT. Char. So, what will happen here? As you can see, dito na tayo pwede mag-cancel. Nasaan na yung nagtanong kanina? Bakit dito pwede na mag-cancel kahit may minus sa taas? The explanation here is, kinancel natin ng buo yung taas. So, hindi pwedeng i-cancel lang si y. Kailangan buo siyang makancel, okay? So, makacancel to. And that will leave you with 1 over y plus 1. Do you have any questions? So, the answer is letter B. Wow, guys. You guys are so good. Everybody's getting it correct for today. Alam niyo po ba lahat ng solution? I memorized this. Hindi ko memorize. I'm answering this for the first time. So, basta tama yan. Maniwala ka. Ako ang batas. Gusto mo pa i-check? Check pa natin yung mga huling question if you want. Letter A, 45 and 46 is AB. You don't trust me, ha? Ganyan nasisira ang mga relationship. Walang tiwala. 45, 46, AB. 42, let's start here. DCCAB. 42 is DCCAB. Okay, let's go back up. AB, DCCAB. DDCCAB. See? So, very basic. Bakit may 1? Nasaan yung 1? Nasaan yung 1? Nasaan yung 1, guys? Bakit may 1? Okay. Bakit may 1? Okay, guys. Paano, yes. Okay. I'll give you a simple example. So, when you say 2/4, yung 2/4, guys, same lang yan sa 2 times 2/2 times 2. 2/2 times 2. Kaya siya nakakancel or kaya siya nagiging 1/2 kasi kinancel natin yung dalawang 2 na to. And paano nakakancel yung dalawang 2 na yan? Pag nakancel kasi yung buo sa taas or kahit buo sa baba, ang matitira ay 1. Hindi yan magiging 0, diba? Kasi nakancel lang siya. Pero same lang yan as multiplying by 1. So, bawal walang maiwan sa taas. Hindi siya magiging 0. Kaya siya nagiging 1/2. In the same way, yung na-cancel na factor dito, natanggal sila pareho. So, magiging 1 lang siya. Pag na-cancel yung buo sa taas or sa baba, magiging 1 siya. Okay? I'll give you an example. Can somebody tell me what 17/51 is? What's 17/51? No calculator, guys. Everyday po ba nagla-live? Yes, we go live every day at 8 p.m. Usually 8 to 10 p.m. Usually 8 to 9:30 actually. 1/3, yes, 1/3. So, kinancel ang taas at ang baba. Okay, one more. One more, I'll give you one more. 8 x y over 72 x squared y 4. Hala, may x and y. Ano ang sagot? Oh, solve nyo yan. I-solve nyo yan. What's the answer, guys? Ano ang pwede i-cancel? So, how does this work? Hala, sabi ni Abby. Ano ang sa taas? Fraction ang sagot dyan, guys. No machi. Machi, the answer is a fraction. So, you better fix your answer. Fraction ang sagot. Ba't nyo kinokopya yung sagot? Nakikita ko kayo. Wag na lang mag-UPCAT. Guys, ba't nyo kinokopya yung sagot? Hindi yan ang sagot. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Nobody has gotten it yet so far. I'm waiting for somebody to get it. What's the answer? 1 over... Kulang ang ano nyo, guys. 9 raised to 4 yan. 9 raised to 4. Hala. Saan ang choices? Nico, solve from... Nico, solve as is. Oh, Rayan got it. Rayan Jose Magdasok. His full government name. Welcome to the live. So, how do we solve this, guys? So, ang gagawin nyo dyan, cancel what you can and cancel what you can. Leave what you cannot. Okay? So, x and 8 and 72, pwede siya makancel. This will be 1. And this will be 72 divided by 8 is 9. Next, pwede tayo mag-cancel ng x here and x here. Ano yung matitira na x? Isa na lang ang matitirang x sa baba. Okay? Wow, Nico, same answer. Patingin ang solution mo. Char. Yes, and this is y over 4. Ay, y raised to 4. So, you can cancel x here. And 1 din ang matitira dito. And this will be y raised to 3. So, 1 na lang lahat ng nasa taas. Kaya magiging 1 lang siya. And then, ang ilalim ay 9xy cubed. 9xy cubed. Did you get the answer? Muted ba ako? Rutherfordium, hindi ko nakikita ang mga question, ang mga sagot mo. I don't see your answers, like actually. Bakit yung iba hirap? Hala, ang yabang niya, guys! Papayag ba kayo niyan? Sabi niya, ba't yung iba hirap? Grabe siya. Yan ang motivation, guys. Pag may mga basher na ganyan, dapat awayin. Ay, wag niyo siya awayin. Dapat, isipin nyo, ay, ang daming mayayabang. So, dapat matalo ko sila sa UPCAT. Hanapin nyo siya pagdating ng UPCAT. Char, wag nyo siya hanapin. Joke lang yun. Magtago ka na. Basic lang daw, guys. Ganyan dapat. Dapat talunin ang mga mayayabang. Pero ganito. Ang funny. Yung burger method. True. Okay, next question. Next question, guys. Gets nyo na yan. Madali lang yan. Kaya nyo yan, guys. Next question. We're restarting the poll. Restart the poll. What's the average of all even integers? Hala, hindi ko alam. Average of all integers from 2 to 40. 2 to 40. Huh. So, what I would do here, okay, mag-solve kayo dyan, pero ang una kong gagawin ay simple example, kasi hindi ko sure. The first thing I'm thinking of is, syempre, i-average lang natin. So, right now, the first thing I think of is to average it. But, what we're gonna try to do is get muna even integers from 2 to 10. So, try natin 2 to 10. That would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, kunin natin yung average nila, which means i-add muna natin sila. That will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is just 10, 20, 30. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. So, 6 ang sagot. So, since nakuha ko ang 6, that's just 10 plus 2 over 2, diba? Average lang siya ng biggest and smallest. A ang sagot ng madami. Is it A or B, guys? Is it A or B? What else? So, let me try 10 to 12. 10 to 12 will give us 42 divided by 6. That will give us 7. And 42 divided by 6 is just 12 plus 2 over 2. So, average lang siya ng biggest and smallest. Right? So, pwede siya maging odd number. Pwede siya maging odd number. Kaya, ang gagawin lang natin dito, ang ginagawa natin, guys, hinahanap natin yung rule. Kasi, hindi mo siya, imbes na i-add mo sila lahat, get a smaller amount. So, 2 to 10 muna hinanap natin. And as you can see, ang gagawin ay this plus this, 2 plus 40 over 2. So, kukunin lang average niya. It's the same thing. Kasi, bakit same thing? Kasi may common difference siya. So, that's 42 over 2 is equal to 21. So, the answer is letter B. Hala kayo, letter A ang sagot. Sino ang nag-letter A dyan? Isha-shoutout ko. Char. Letter A. Please explain your answer. Char. B ako. B daw sila. Letter B daw ang sagot nila. Sila daw. Di ko po gets. Ang ginawa natin, guys, average lang. Get this biggest number minus smallest number. Biggest plus smallest. Kinuha lang natin yung average. How do you get the average? Pahinging copy ng reviewer. Nandito ang copy ng reviewer. If you want the blank file, it's over here on my Instagram. But if you want the annotated or yung file na may notes ko or may sagot na, I'll upload it after the live. So, I upload it na sa Instagram din. The 5th story sa Instagram. Common logic lang yan, sabi ni Rodolfo. Common logic lang eh. Laging X kung ilan yung common. Wow, sana all. If you're new here, make sure to follow. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Is that a general rule? Hindi siya general rule, guys. If odd integers daw, okay, give me odd integers. Let's try odd daw. Ang hindi siya general rule, what you have to do is look for a rule. So, how do you look for a rule? Start from a small number. So, gawin natin, what is the average of all even numbers from 1 to 21? 1 to 21. So, all even numbers, imbes na hanapin muna natin yung 1 to 21, ang gagawin natin, hanapin natin 1 to 9. 1 to 9. What are all the even numbers, odd numbers from 1 to 9? That will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, kunin muna natin yung average na to. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is just 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 25. Over 5 is equal to 5. So, as you can see, yung rule dito, paano nakuha ang 5? That's just 1 plus 9 over 2. So, getting the average usually ang rule dyan, guys, ay biggest number and smallest number, add them, and then divide by 2. Add them, divide by 2. May rule din pala yan sa may rule yan. Basta biggest number, yung dulong numbers, i-add, tas divide by 2. Ganun siya. Yes. So, ang gagawin dito, 21. 21 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 22 over 2. is equal to 11. Wow, nakuha na nila ang 11. Ang amazing. So amazing. So the answer there is 11. So I guess usually ang goal nito, usually ang sagot ay, yun usually ang formula. Biggest times smallest. Mean and average are the same, guys. Mean and average are the same thing. So, yes. Example. Okay, next question. Next question, guys. Review masters increases. 10 p.m. na. Relapse time na. Hala ka. I-shout out ang mga miss nyo ng X, guys. Shout out your X right now. Shout out your X to extend the time. Shout out the X to extend the time for one more question. Nag-DOST ka po. I passed the DOST. Hala na, lumabo na ang screen, guys. Lumalabo na kayo. Kasi 10 p.m. na. Sabi ko sa inyo pag 10 p.m. na. My program is Management Engineering. Try nyo mag-apply sa Ateneo, guys. Shoutout kay Jad, sabi niya, no. Shoutout kay Christian. Dapat may last name, Char. Christian daw. Hindi na nga po kami. Hindi na daw sila ni Jads. Nasa na yun? Good night. Mag-sleep na kayo. Last question, guys. Since nasa dulo na tayo. Last question. Kaka 1 hour pa lang natin, by the way. Review Masters increases its enrollees by 25% yearly. What is the ratio of enrollees in 1 year to the enrollees in the previous year? Very basic. I'm restarting the poll. It's our last question, guys. Make sure to guess if you haven't guessed yet. The poll is over here. Check out the poll over here. Letter A daw ang sagot. Is it letter A? Ratio, guys, ratio ang tanong. What is the ratio of enrollees in 1 year? Bakit letter A ang sagot nila? Is it letter A or letter C? In 1 year to the enrollees in the previous year. C or D? A, B, C, or D? So, the poll is over there, guys. Check it out over there. Okay, so what are we gonna do? The easiest way, pagdating sa population, for me, guys, the easiest way is to set the enrollees to 100. Set the enrollees to 100. Pag percent, kasi, when you increase 25%, ano ang increase na to, guys? From 100, shout out kay Julia Menjola. Hala, hindi mag-relapse sa akin. Sino yan? Wala akong ex. Char. Shout out. Next question. Yes, 125. So, madali lang, guys. Madali lang. Mag-review ako after watching your live. Good luck, Ayumi. What's your, yes. So, what is it gonna be? So, 100, year, here, and then 125, next year. Next year. So we're gonna say, year 1 year is 125, tas yung previous year niya ay 100. Previous year niya ay 100. And then, we can divide this by 25. Divide this by 25. That will give you 5:4. So, the answer, guys, is letter C. Wow, 100 votes for letter C. Amazing. You guys actually answered the last question. Letter C is the answer. Patasangan ng pencil. I will do the virtual pencil sharpening. Virtual pencil sharpening. Pagdating the day before the UPCAT, okay? D daw 100. D1 daw, ate daw, D100. Guys, yung tanong is previous year. 1 year to previous year. Remember, pagdating sa ratio and proportion, need mauna kung ano yung inuna sa words. So, 1 year to previous year. Kahit, okay. Yes, 1 year to previous year. So, ang previous nito actually is also 80. Ang previous yan. So, it will be 100 is to 80. So, that will be 5:4 pa rin. It doesn't matter why. Why did we choose 100? Kasi, pagdating sa population, when it comes to population increase, it's better to start with 100. Bakit 100? Kasi, kung ano yung increase niya, kunyari guys, they say, di ba walang given na number ng students? So, just use 100 as population. Para madali na yung pag-increase nyo. Yes, para mabilis. Kasi in the UPCAT, remember, pabilisan ng UPCAT, you have 1 minute to answer each question in the math. Bakit 25? Kasi 25%. Kaya nga tayo gumamit ng 100 kasi kung anong percent ang increase, yun talaga ang number na yun. For example, when they say, from next year, decrease ng 30%. Ilan na lang ang matitira, guys? Ilang students na lang ang matitira? If decrease from 100. If decrease from 100, that's just 100 minus 30. Kasi 100% ng 100 ay 100. 30% ng 100 ay 30. Kaya, yes, 70 is the answer. Bakit 125? Kasi increase by 25%. Increase by 25%. 100 plus 25 is 125. 100 plus 25 is 125. Okay. Number 52 last. Ang layo pa ng 52. Okay, another example. Live tomorrow. Pag 30 increase. Paano daw pag 30 increase, guys? Ano mangyayari? Okay, gawin na nga natin 30. Let's do the entire question in 30. 30 ang increase. So, that will be 100 is to 130. Very basic. 100 is to 130. Ano yung year now to previous? Year now to previous will be 13 is to 10. Yes, amazing. Somebody got it kanina. So, yes. Paano na kung 13 is to 10? 130 is to 100. Cancel the 0 kasi may 0 sila pareho. Get the lowest term. So, lowest term is 13 is to 10. Ang galing nyo, guys. Ang galing nyo. So, yes. Any more questions? Next question. Do we have... Are we done, guys, for today? Ayan, umalis na sila. Julie Manjola, you have a classmate. That's so amazing. Mahirap po bang calculus? Mahirap ang calculus, guys. Lalo na sa college, lalo na sa engineering. Done na daw tayo today, guys. Pwede na kayo mag-relapse time. Bukas na ulit, guys. Yes, we go live. Tama. We go live every day. I will go live tomorrow. Yes, I will go live tomorrow. Thank you, Lusty. Thank you to everybody who gave a gift. Gab, Kent, Kara FL, Z, Polui, Bell Frank. It's me, Tristan, and Mythical. Kakapasok ko lang po. Welcome to the live, Kent, Bill Ludes. What time? Usually go live 8 p.m. guys. So, you can leave now if you want to say. Make sure to say goodbye. I have... Pag decrease, ganun din guys. Yes. Pag decrease, start with 100. I-minus mo lang yung percent. If 25% decrease, it will be minus 25. So, that will be 75. 75 is to 100. That will be 3 is to 4. 75 is to 100 is to 3 is to 4. Shout out kay Willian. Ang cute mo po. Hala, nasan siya? Nandito ba siya? Shout out daw. Nico, wala na yung nag-hi sa'yo dati. Thank you, Mythical, for the gifts. Decrease me. Thank you so much, guys. You survived Cal 1 and Cal 2. Wow, me too. I survived all the calculus. I got a C+ one time. It was bad. Okay, I'll upload this file right now. Let's upload the annotated file. Let me just upload it. Share. I will upload it right now, guys. So, yes. My assignment yung next page. So, okay, I uploaded it already. The assignment, if you want, guys, either bukas ba, do you want to do we go back to equation of the line? Very boring kasi siya, pero I don't know, do you want to study this? Mahirap kasi siya. But yeah, I feel like people need it then. Distance formula. Or do we continue this? I feel like more people like watching this basic one. So we can continue this tomorrow if you want. Do we continue this one tomorrow? Review Masters. Review Masters or equation of the line. Suspended po Insta ko. You can't view the drives. Try to get your friend. If you have friends who have Instagram, you can ask for their help to view it. Okay, equation of the line, Rutherfordium. Let's see. Ipapavote ko ulit bukas, okay? 10 p.m. na, yes. We're gonna end, guys. Ending at 10:10. Yes, we teach algebra. Check out the algebra lessons we have had so far, okay? 10:10. We're ending at 10:10, guys, which is in 1 minute. Make sure to follow and come back tomorrow if you guys are new here. Say goodbye to my big Rubik's Cube. Say goodbye. Bye, Chin. Thank you for joining the live today. And Rutherfordium, the people who are always here. Take data science, Nico. Wag mo sila idamay sa mahirap mong course. Nico, Nico said take data science, guys. He's in UP right now. Bye, question mark. Bye, Absolem. Bye, Tads. Bye, Kate. Hala, 10-10 na. Bye, Nico. Thank you for sticking today. Here, we'll solve the Rubik's Cube. Bye, Lusty. Bye, Rutherfordium. See you tomorrow. Nico, did you say bye? Ay, Nico, kahapon, hinihintay ko yung bye mo, tapos umalis ka na pala. You should say bye before leaving, if you're gonna leave early. I was like, where's Nico? Tapos hindi ka nagbabay, tapos wala ka na daw, sabi nila. So, yes. Say goodbye to Nico, guys. Bye, Rutherfordium. Bye, somebody. See you guys tomorrow. We have to leave before 10 turns 10:11. Okay. Bye. It's okay, Nico. Bye-bye, guys. Bye.